Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to make samosa. Usually we make samosa with the white flour, but today I will make with the wheat flour. This wheat flour samosa is also very yummy and healthy also. So first boil the potatoes properly. Now we will make stuffing for the samosa. So first we will put oil in a hot pan and let the oil be hot also. And now we will put some cumin seeds, some curry leaves, coriander seeds, and let them cook for few seconds. And then we will add chopped onion, and once onion comes golden brown, we will put turmeric powder. Now we will add ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Stir it well. Now we will add dry spices like red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder. Now add salt as per your taste. Now we will put chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything properly. Now break all the boiled potato in the small pieces. Now we will add boiled potato. Mix properly. Our samosa stuffing is ready now. Now we will make crust for samosa. So first put the salt in a wheat flour. Mix it. And now add baking soda. Ajwain seed. Instead of ajwain seed, you can use cumin seed also. Mix everything for few seconds. Now we will add oil. Mix oil properly in the atta. Oil and atta is properly mixed now. Now slowly we will add water and will knead the dough. Don't add too much water in one time. Add slowly. We have to make this dough more harder than the normal chapati dough. If we will put lots of water in there, then the samosa will be not crispy, it will become soft. Now knead the dough in the plate form for 2-3 minutes. Now our samosa dough is ready. This dough is perfect now. If you will poke with your finger, you will able to poke in there, but it should be not too much soft. Now cover with the wet cloth and let it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of rest, knead this dough for 2 more minutes. Knead like this and make a smooth. Now this dough is ready to make samosa. Take a lemon size of atta from the dough. Roll from your hand. You can make like this 2-3 balls at the same time, and then we'll start making samosas. Roll the dough with the roller and make a shape like a chapati. Don't roll too much, roll it like a normal chapati. Now cut this samosa crust from the knife like this in 2 pieces, and dab some water in the top of the one side of samosa crust and stick the other side with the water like this. Now fill the stuffing in the samosa crust like this. And dab some more water like this and close the mouth of this samosa like this. Now we will make all samosas like this. Now all samosa is made now. Now we can bake this or we can deep fry this. Now we will deep fry these samosas. Heat the oil in a frying pan first. Now slowly we will put samosas in the oil. We'll fry this samosa in a medium heat until it become crispy from the both sides. Once samosa cooked from one side, we'll turn the samosa so it can cook from other side also. Now make the heat in the low and we'll cook the samosa for 2-3 more minutes so it will become more crispier. Our samosas looks cooked now. Now we will take the samosa out from the oil. Samosas are ready to serve now. These samosas are very crispy and cooked properly, and it's very yummy. Now enjoy this samosa with the tomato ketchup, green chutney or red chutney. This recipe is very easy to make at home. For more yummy recipes, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.